After a long, dark winter with plenty of grays and browns, chances are you're ready for some spring color. As winter fades, these spring flowering trees and shrubs seem to light up the landscape more than any other plant. Many of these woody plants burst into bloom before leaves start to grow, offering some of the first color of the season. Add a profusion of stunning spring blooms to your yard with these outstanding selections. Number 1. Eastern Redbud. One of the earliest flowering trees to bloom in the spring, Eastern Redbud is an easy-to-grow small tree that is native to North America. Its tiny but numerous rosy pink flowers line the branches before the heart-shaped leaves appear. It also has pretty yellow fall foliage. Eastern Redbud best growing conditions is full sun to part shade and well-drained soil. Number 2. Flowering Dogwood. One of the best trees for spring color, flowering dogwood has striking horizontal branches that give this plant a graceful appearance year-round. Its eye-catching early spring blooms can be white or pink. Its leaves turn reddish-purple in the fall, and it produces small, glossy red fruits. Flowering dogwood best growing conditions is full sun to part shade and well-drained soil. Number 3. Forsythia. You'll know that spring is just around the corner when you see the bright yellow flowers of forsythia. Its blooms emerge before the plant leaf out, making this beautiful shrubs appear to glow in the spring sunshine. Plant forsythia as an informal hedge or in a border. Either way, its foliage will maintain its fresh green color until late fall, and some varieties, such as Linwood Gold, have purple fall foliage. Forsythia best growing conditions is full sun to part shade and well-drained soil. Number 4. Rhododendron and Azalea. Although rhododendrons and azaleas share many characteristics, one difference between them is the shape of their flowers. Azaleas have funnel-shaped blossoms, while rhododendrons have trumpet-shaped flowers. Azaleas also have small leaves and profuse flowers scattered over the entire shrub. The leaves of rhododendrons are leathery, and the flowers are in large clusters at the ends of the stems. Don't forget to deadhead each cluster of flowers after the blooms fade. Rhododendron and azalea best growing conditions is part shade to full shade and well-drained acidic soil. Number 5. Flowering crabapple. Flowering crabapples are small to mid-sized trees that can grow in low mounds or have upright, narrow, or weeping shapes. In spring, they're covered with fragrant pink, white, or red flowers and produce tiny yellow, orange, or red fruit in fall. Look for newest varieties that are disease-resistant and hold their fruit into the winter. Flowering crabapple best growing conditions is in full sun and well-drained soil. Number 6. Lilac. One of the most popular spring flowering shrubs, lilac is a true showstopper. Hundreds of lilac varieties are available, offering large clusters of purple, magenta, pink, blue, white, or yellow flowers. The fantastically fragrant blooms attract butterflies and hummingbirds in late spring. Lilac best growing condition is in full sun and well-drained soil. Number 7. Flowering cherries. Flowering cherries trees are known for their explosion of showy flowers in the spring. Some types also produce small cherries in the summer that are too tart for our palates, but appeal to a wide variety of birds. Flowering cherry trees are an excellent choice for home gardens because they require minimal care. In addition to spectacular cherry blossoms, they provide year-round color and interest with seasonally changing foliage and attractive bark. Flowering cherries' best growing conditions is in full sun to part shade and well-drained soil. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can turn on the notification bell to get more latest videos. See you in the next interesting topic.